Jonathan, I need the net, bro. Jonathan! Yeah. I need the net. I think I need the net. Yeah, it's a big bat ray. I think it's bigger than yours.
Yeah, 20-pound, man. You can pull them up. Oh.
Is he big?
No, that's not right. We're fishing that sack. Do you want to take him up today?
Yeah.
We'll have to take him back down though, probably.
Grab my phone.
Your phone.
Oh, this thing's heavy.
Look at my thumb, bro.
Get a view.
Yeah, it's bleeding all down my hand and stuff, but my hook
get a good view of that.
Oh, it's recording.
That bad boy.
Alright.
It's talking, you hear it?
Yeah, I hear him. My dad said walk up and down this thing quiet. Yeah, they got my drops of blood, bro. See how much he weighs. I'll hold this, double-handed. I mean, he needed 2 arms. He said he was using 1 hand. He was like, oh, I need my second arm. It's too heavy. I had a 5'12". Whoa, you went bald?
What's up, dudes?
Hey.
How's it going?
Got the fresh cut, man?
Fresh cut.
All right, well, I had a 5'12". Let's see what his is.
Where's the pliers? Oh, that's
Yeah,
the
fucking Stingray shootout, man. That's a decent one right there. Look at that turkey.
Careful with that stinger, huh?
I'm good. Where's the pliers to flip them
Give it
over?
a fucking kiss.
Oh, I'm good.
Hell.
Jordy's fish, Jordy's kiss.
No other fucking. Not just hang down.
I understand that.
It's gonna burn the spot. Pull the hook and shit out of my net before it rips my fucking net.
Oh, he almost got me. He almost got me.
Come on, that fucker.
Dang, I ripped that thing. I ripped its whole chin.
Tides actually. Oh, it did come in more. The rocks are underwater now.
You need to get this out, George.
Is it bad?
A little bit.
Oh, let me weigh him. He's been hooked before though.
go. Let's see what the results are.
Man, I'm trying to get this stuff untangled.
7-4,
Dang,
7-9.
Holy.
I'm in the lead.
You're in the lead.
That's the one you want to fucking eat right there if you're gonna fuck them small wings.
What, a bat ray over a stingray?
Hey, George, you gotta get this thing untangled, man. Or a light or something.
Hold it up, get your little picture. So you show your dad, he bent it. See, look at this big old can he got.